Hello everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you how I dilute my Thieves Dish Soap. So you can see I've taken one dish soap and I've shared it between the bottles. They all have equal amounts in. What I've done in preparation, just to make the video a little bit shorter, is I've mixed some bicarbonate of soda with warm water, warm filter water. So I boiled some filter water, and then so the dilution of the bicarb, you can, I'm gonna do like 1 cup into each, a little bit more, 1 cup into each holder, and you can use 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon for each one. So I'm going to, in that dilution, so if you're going to make this into 500, then you divide this into 3. If you're going to use these containers, then you can divide it into 4. So I'm just going to pour 1 cup in here, and it works out so well because, as you can see, that one's full. And I'm going to continue doing that for all of them. And you just pop the lid on, and what I've done is I've put in, I like to go a little bit stronger with the lemon for the degreasing properties. So yeah, so this is how I make how I dilute my dish soap. And this way I know that when we are using our dish soap at home, we're using something that's plant-based, something that hasn't got any toxins in, because when I found out that SLS, which is sodium lauryl sulfate, that's the thing that they put in products to make it foam, is actually a toxin for your body and attacks your endocrine system. That's when I decided to change. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you. Have an awesome day. Bye.